Next, we are discussing important points. So first point is, in an integration we have some constant a into fx dx. So here a is what? Constant. That constant we can take outside, and this one we can write what? A integration of fx into dx. Like that we can write. For example, suppose we want to integrate integration of 2 into sine x into dx. So here 2 is what? Constant. So we can take 2 outside. Integration of sine x into dx. So integration of sine x is what? Minus cos x plus c. So this will come what? 2 into minus cos x plus c. So this will come what? Minus 2 cos x plus 2c. We know that c is constant, so 2c also constant. So this one we can write as what? Minus 2 cos x plus c dash, where c dash is what? 2c. So here c dash is what? Constant. So integration of 2 sin x dx will be what? Minus 2 cos x plus c dash. That is your integration. Next is second point. Second point is, if you do integration of fx plus minus gx into dx. So this integration we can do like that. Integration of fx into dx plus minus integration of gx into dx. We can do separate if these are the summation or addition. For example, if you want to do integration of e power x plus sin x into dx. So this one we can add what? Integration of e power x into dx plus integration of sin x into dx. So what will come? E power x integration what? E power x plus sin x integration what? Minus cos x, and at the last we will add what? Plus c. So this will come what? E power x minus cos x plus c. Okay, so if you want to do this integration, we can do here separate. Okay, next we are discussing third point. Third point is substitution. Okay, so this one we will use in maximum problems of integration. Then how to use substitution, that we are discussing here. So here first point is, if I have integration of f of g of x into g dash x dx. Okay, so gx difference is what? G dash x dx. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Instead of gx we are putting t. Instead of gx we are putting t. Okay, तो gx की जगह क्या पुट करें? t. Then we have to convert everything in terms of t. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? f of t. Then g dash x dx also we have to convert in terms of t. So here is what? Dx. So what you will do? This one will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So gx differentiation with respect to x. So what will come? G dash x, then x differentiation dx by dx, and t differentiation dt by dx. So here dx getting cancelled. This will come what? G dash x dx equal to what? dt. This will come. Okay, then this one we can write as integration of f of, instead of gx we can put what? T. So what will come? F of t. G dash x dx will come what? dt. G dash x dx will come what? dt. So this will convert in terms of integration of f of t dt. After that we have to integrate this one. Then what you will do at the last, what you will put? Instead of t we will put gx. That is your final answer. Now second is, if I have integration of f dash x into dx divided by fx. If I have this one, yeah, fx power something will be there. Okay, so fx differentiate what? F dash x dx. तो यहाँ पे क्या करें? Instead of fx we'll put what? T. Instead of fx we'll put t. So everything we have to convert in terms of t. So what you will do? This one we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? F dash x dx by dx and t differentiate dt by dx. तो यहाँ पे क्या देगा f dash x dx equal to what dt. So this will come what integration of, instead of f dash x dx we can write what dt, and fx we can write what t. So this will come dt by t. Okay, integration of dt by t is what ln mod of t plus c, and t is what fx. So at the last t value we have to put. So what will come ln modulus of fx plus c. This will come. Okay, now third point is, if I have integration of fx to the whole power n into f dash x dx. Okay, in this case also what we will do, fx equal to what we will put t, then everything we have to convert in terms of t. Okay, so what we will do, this one we have to differentiate with respect to x. So what will come f dash x dx equal to dt. So this will convert in terms of what integration of, instead of fx we will put what t. So what will come t power n and f dash x dx is what dt. So integration of t power n dt will be what t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This will come. So instead of t we can put what fx. So what will come fx to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay, this is third type of substitution. We can give like that also. Here instead of fx we can give fx power n. So here what will come t power n will come. Okay, so like that we can do substitution.